I am in Newcastle for work and I have only a couple of mornings and evenings to see the city. So how much can I see in such a short amount of time? Let's find out.
I'd be stuck in my head, think I need to escape. Feels like I'm waiting there for the same. My mom used to say that no matter how famous, at the end of the day, you only wanna feel safe. But I'd rather walk into space to see if you're still awake. If it's ever gonna be right, if we ever had the time, hope you know that I try. If we'll ever make it feel right, still think we can work it out.
The whole quayside looks so beautiful and it's so peaceful, perfect for a walk. And to be honest, I wish I had my skates with me because it's very tempting to just go and skate around. City itself, I don't think it's that skateable, but Quayside is perfect. City, not so much because it's one of the very, very, very hilly ones.
Hope you know that I try. I'm running over the highways, running sideways. I'm falling, but it's starting to love it. We might fall apart, but we always do. If it's ever gonna be right, if we ever had the time, hope you know that I try. If we'll ever make
I did some research before coming to Newcastle, what you see here and what's interesting, some facts. But one thing I didn't see was that Cathedral Church of St. Nicholas has a very interesting tower which is called Lantern Tower because it used to have a light at the top of it which guided ships, and that's so interesting because it's quite unusual. I would say a lighthouse. Have you seen any one of those before? I've never done. So you can actually go up the Black Gate to the top and explore it. Unfortunately, I can't do that because it's a bit too early for me. It's open 10 to 5 and I'm working. Alright, so I am heading now towards work and I got back to Quayside and I was just passing by the swing bridge, which is one of the 7 bridges in Newcastle crossing River Tyne. And it's one of the very interesting bridges because of how it moves to let ships pass. And unlike, for example, like bridges as Tower Bridge that lift up, this one actually swings so it becomes parallel to the river and it allows space for the ships to move. So this morning I am exploring Grey Street, which is this beautiful street full of lovely, lovely houses built of sandstone, and you can see it a lot around England in a lot of towns and cities, and it's such a beautiful color. I love it. So really worth a visit. And there's also Mosley Street that crosses Grey Street, and it was the first street in the world that was lit up by electricity, which is amazing. Arcades in the cities in England are always worth a visit because they are so pretty, like the Central Arcade in Newcastle. Definitely pop in if you're here. Worth a visit. So my exploration of Newcastle is over. I'm just heading into work right now, and from work I will be heading straight to the station. So I am done with exploring it. But Newcastle is so beautiful and so worth a visit. And I think I did really, really well seeing kind of the most recommended places, and because I was working and not just visiting city as a tourist, I got to see also not such nice areas as well, which is always interesting to see, but probably don't seek out when we are traveling. And it was so much better actually seeing the city than just staying in a hotel room and working on my laptop. So I consider this a success. And if you enjoyed this video, you might like one of those two videos as well. So check them out. Bye!